We're going back to the Park MGM. We're going to see a Nighthawk Suite, and if you saw our Nightingale Suite review, the two suites are very similar, including not having to walk down the hallway to get to the entrance. They're right near the elevator. The Nighthawk has a very large walk-in closet. I can't think of another room we've stayed in that has that large of a closet. It's actually a closet and a dressing area. Has a full-length mirror in it. Also in the entryway is this handy-dandy credenza. Has your glasses and your ice bucket, some snacks. Has your mini bar, but it also has some drawers where you can keep your own snacks that you brought. That's where I keep my French press, so this is actually a coffee bar. Some very nice artwork. Just before you get to the bathroom, there's another, even bigger full-length mirror, and it has some pretty cool lights mounted to the side of it. It is a very nice bathroom. Clean, fresh, spacious, uncluttered. You call that contemporary style, I guess. There's plenty of room for two people to get ready. Some shelving. There's a big walk-in shower. I like the high gloss tile in the shower. Makes it seem bigger. Makes the shower seem bigger. Oh, and the Park MGM has excellent water pressure. And a decent amount of counter space by the sink. And some artwork. Nice separate room for the commode or a water closet. Yeah. This suite has a lot of space. It has a big living area, a couch, an end table, a big screen TV. It's a pretty comfortable couch. I like the layout. It's very spacious. By the window there's a table that has a handy charging station. Has a nice long couch by the window. We had a view of the pools. There are two Park MGM pools and a Nomad pool. I missed the lazy river. It also has a very nice dining table. Only one chair, but the couch works very well. On this wall we have another big screen TV. It pulls out and turns so that you can watch it laying in bed. And a very comfortable bed it is. surrounded by a couple of nightstands, lights, and some more artwork. It's a great afternoon nap kind of a bed. I think I already mentioned it, but it's worth mentioning again. I like how much space this room has. It's not the biggest room we've ever stayed in, but I like the way it's laid out, and it feels very open and spacious. You don't feel cramped anywhere in this room. I finally put my finger on it. The clusters of artwork make it feel more like a home instead of a hotel room. Nice touch. Thanks for watching.